Okay guys, on June 9, 2024, now you can see that this is my 30 years old candelabra tree plant. Okay, now you can see that it is almost a height of 20 feet. So now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. And one more thing, that its botanical name is Euphorbia ingens. One more common name is naboom also. And now we will select our cutting, and now you can see that I have selected this cutting. This is small and hopefully it will show us a little bit of growth both on the rooting side as well as on the shooting side. So now I have taken my cutting. Now you can see that it has a little bit of wound, but still it's okay. We will try to propagate it out. Okay, now you can see that this is my cutting which I have taken, and now we have to keep this cutting in shade so that its wound will be healed. Okay, on June 27, 2024. Now you can see that I have taken my media, and in this media you can see that apart from simple garden soil, 50% sand is there. It is the same sand which is used in the construction within the Pakistan. So now we have to water it out thoroughly, and so that all the media will get soaked properly. Now you can see that how good the drainage of the pot is. We just pour the water and all of the water just seeps down. So now we will try to put our cutting like this, and we will press the media so that all the air pockets will get eliminated. Okay, and one more thing, that its response time is very high. Like even I put around like a cutting in the media and it starts showing growth after 2 years. So we have to wait patiently. This is my results section, you can see, and I have this green net. Under this green net, these cuttings will get a filtered sunlight. On August 12, 2024. Now you can see that after a lot of time we got our success. Although we have some weed in the media, and we have to remove the weeds. The tool which is actually in my hand is the sponge forceps. It is used inside the human surgery, but I am using it for to grab the plant cuttings and pots. Okay, now I am taking my cutting out, and now you can see that we have a lot of growth on the root side. And obviously there is growth on the shooting side. We got a lot of leaves. So rainy season helped us a lot, and I can see that this wound is a little bit due to rain, a lot of rains. Is a little bit, seems to be a little bit problematic, but now we have to wait for some more days that either our cutting will survive or not. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.